Open your Facebook app, log into your account, then tap on this hamburger menu, tap on Settings and Privacy, open Settings. In Settings, tap on Account Center. In Account Center, tap on Add Preferences. In here, under Customize Ads section, tap on See All next to advertisers you saw ads from. And here, you'll find all ads you saw in your Facebook videos. We can see view and hide ads from advertisers you saw ads from. So just select the ad that you want to hide. For example, I want to hide all ads from Google Daily Tech. So I'm just tapping on Daily Tech. And here I'm tapping on Hide Ads. And as you can see, you will not see any more ads from this specific company. So that's how you can actually do it.